Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to get found for remote jobs on LinkedIn. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to linkedin.com, and now from here, just simply go ahead and click on the me icon on the top right over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on view profile over here on the drop down. And now from here guys, just simply click on open to. So click on over here, and now from here, just simply go for finding a new job. So click on over here, and a pop-up will show up. And as you can see, just simply provide the information of work that you're open to. And as you can see, I have one videographer over here. And if you want to add title, you can just simply click on over here. And let's say I'm gonna go for voice over artist, and you can add as many as you can. And from here, you will have the location type. So make sure to toggle the remote, or you can go for hybrid if you prefer. And for this video, it will be remote. And now from here, just simply add a location if you prefer. So let's say I'm gonna go for Philippines. And now after that, just simply provide a start date. So I recommend going for flexible. I am casually looking, or you can go for immediately I am actively applying. So pretty much it will be depending on you, but I'll go for the flexible. And now from here, just simply provide the employment type. So you can have multiple options over here. So I rec so for me, I like to go for full-time or part-time. And down below, just simply toggle recruiters only if you want to limit the people seeing you that you are looking for a job. So recruiters can only see this, or you can go for all LinkedIn members. So pretty much it will be depending on you. So I recommend going for all LinkedIn members so you can increase your chances of having a remote job, and click on save. And as you can see, the job preferences is saved. And when we close it over here, as you can see, we will have this option open to work. And when people click on show details, they should be able to see what you just provided. And from here, you will have a banner on your profile open to work. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.